Hi everyone! I have had my fair share of overcurled lashes, so today I will share how I fix them quickly and safely when the wrong lash rod is used. From my experience, if the lash rod is too small, the lashes can bend inward or overcurl. When this happens, I find that the best fix is to relax the lashes, let them recover for 2 weeks, and then leave them again. I apply step 1 softening lotion to gently relax the lashes. My tips here is I only apply it from the mid-length to the tips, avoiding the roots to prevent irritation. Then I use tweezers or a lash tool to slowly push the lashes upward. I carefully push the lashes straight, make sure not to use too much force to avoid any damage. I usually check after 3 to 4 minutes to prevent any over-relaxing. If the lashes are still too curled, I will add a small amount of step 1 lotions and continue adjusting. As soon as the lashes lay flat against the tape, I will stop immediately. Once I'm happy with the lash shapes, I apply collagen to nourish and strengthen the lashes. I always wait 2 to 3 minutes to get nutrients fully absorbed. Pro tips here is be super careful not to move any lashes during this step. I apply a light layer of collagen, just enough to hydrate, but not too much. If any lifting solutions is left behind, I make sure to clean it properly, since the leftover products can cause uneven curls. I carefully remove the tapes and rise the lashes with saline or saline solutions. My rules is always be gentle. This step ensures that there are no remaining products that could irritate the eyes. Now the lashes have a natural curls, not too dramatic, not touching the eyelid. The curls is even, soft and lifted exactly how I wanted. Look at the differences. So much better, right? What do you think? Let me know, and if you found my method helpful, follow, subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can see each other again. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment below and I would love to help. See you in the next video.